Good morning, dear students. Today I will be explaining the chapter The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlof. Okay, the universal theme that runs throughout this particular lesson is the basic goodness in a human being in the face of marital temptation. Moreover, that a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. Now, this particular story, it is set amidst the mines of Sweden that is rich in iron ore and which figure large in the history and legend of that particular country. Okay, so now here in this particular lesson, we find a peddler who is on the way of selling rat traps throughout his life. And this particular man, he makes rat traps at odd moments from the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. Now, see, this particular rat trap one day comes as he was one day as he was wandering through the street, through the roads of this particular country, he hit his own line of thought. And that line was that the whole world is a big rat trap. The whole world, with its lands and seas, its cities and villages, it was nothing but a big rat trap. And he thought, and he found pleasure in thinking that at least he is the one who is not trapped into this particular rat trap, whereas the whole world is circulating around the rat trap waiting for the door to open, and once the door is open they will enter and will be trapped throughout their life. So he found pleasure in thinking that at least he is the one who is still escaped from this particular rat trap world. Okay, now, so one dark evening, when he was wandering through the street, he came to a house, cottage. Now, this cottage belonged to a crofter. He was an old man, and when the peddler knocked at the door, the crofter opened, and immediately he was invited in because the crofter was alone and he wanted something to share his secrets with. So we find not only the peddler but the crofter was also facing isolation in their life. Now see, he was invited by the crofter. They both had a good time. They ate together, they smoked together, and in the midst of the conversation, the crofter showed him a leather pouch that held money in it, 3 kronos note in it. Okay, now the next morning, the peddler and the crofter got up in good season and both parted their ways. After half an hour, the peddler returned to the cottage of the crofter and broke the window pane, the glass of the window pane, and took out the money. Now see, he was very happy at his smartness because he had stolen the money from the man who had sheltered him the night before. It was late in December. Okay, it was December month. Now, instead of pursuing his journey through the highway, he decided to took way through the dense forest so that he is not encountered by any police sheriff. As he was traveling across the forest, after many hours, several hours, he found that he had been walking round and round in the forest and couldn't get out. Now, the, this was the moment he realized that he was trapped into this particular rat trap that he had been escaping for in the past. It was December month, it was late night, and darkness was already descending over the forest. And this increased the danger and also his gloom and despair. Okay. As he was about to lie down on the ground, he heard a regular thumping sound. Now, regular thumping sound means there is some iron mill nearby. He summoned all his strength and started walking towards that iron mill. Okay. Now, this particular iron mill, it belonged to a rich iron master whose only ambition was to whose only ambition was to produce best quality iron in the market. Okay, now see, he went to that iron mill, sought for shelter, and was given shelter in the iron mill. Now, as he was lying there, that was the time the visit of the iron master took happened. The iron master came. When he saw this peddler, he mistook him as as his old regimental comrade by the name Von Stale, Captain Von Stale. Fine. He persuaded him to come to his home to celebrate Christmas, but he bluntly refused. The peddler bluntly refused to come to his home. Iron Master went away, but with a thought that I have not given up, I'll take you to my home. After some time, a carriage came and halted before the iron mill. A young lady, Edla Wilminson, got down. She was the daughter of the iron master. She straight went to the peddler, followed by a valet. Okay. She persuaded, because she had great convincing power than her father. She persuaded the peddler to come with her to celebrate Christmas at their place. Peddler could not refuse. He had to go with her. They were there now in that particular house. When he was given bath, when he was clean shaven, Iron Master immediately recognized that he is not his old regimental comrade, but he is a stranger. That time, Master was harsh enough to drive him out of his house. Again, Edla Wilminson acted as an intercessor. She persuaded her father to let the stranger, let the peddler celebrate Christmas with them. The peddler had nice dinner, he had nice sleep, and early in the morning, as he was already sleeping, both father and the daughter left for the church. Now, when they returned from the church, Edla was sad. Sad why? Because in the church she heard that nearby a crofter was stolen by 30 kronor. Okay. Immediately it was already clear that this man is that particular thief. They came home. Iron Master asked, "Where is he?" The attendant said that he had already left, and he had left a present for Miss Edla Wilminson. Edla Wilminson opened the gift pack, and inside there was a small rat trap with a note. Now, what was it written in the note? I'll just read it out here. Honored and Miss Noble, Miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, I want to be nice to you in return, as if I was a real captain. For I do not want you to be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief, but you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain, because in that way he got power to clear himself. Written with friendship and high regard, Captain Von Steele. He signed himself as captain because Edna Wilminson was successful enough to awaken basic goodness that is already present in the human being. The only thing required is to awaken the basic goodness with empathy, sympathy, kindness, and love. So, in this way, the peddler was freed from this particular rat trap, and he was able to return the money that he had already stolen from the crofter.